Hello beta, good morning and welcome back on our school's YouTube platform. Here I come with the topic for grade 3rd and we are going to continue, just start the new chapter, that is chapter 2nd, and chapter name is addition. Okay, now we start the basic concept related to the addition. Okay, here common properties of addition. Now in this lecture we are going to discuss what is the basic and common properties of addition. So first of all, see the first property. First property is that if 0 is added to a number, then the result become the number itself. I am going to repeat one more time. If 0 is added to any number, then the result is the number itself. Meaning देखिए बेटा, see here the meaning. Suppose the number is 198. Okay, the number is 198, and if we are going to add 0 in the number, then we get the same number. So the property is that if we are going to add 0 in any number, the result is the number itself. Means result है वो हमारा same number ही मिलेगा. This is the first property of addition. Okay, see the next property, that is second property. See the second property, if 1 is added to a number, then the result will be the next immediate number. That is, suppose number is 137. Number is 137. If we add 1 in the number, we get the number after the given number, that is 138. 137, the next immediate number, that is 138. The first property is that if we add 0 in the number, then the result will be the number itself. The second property is that if we are going to add 1 in the given number, we get the next immediate number of the given number. Okay, these are the two properties, and the next property is that third property, and this is an important property over addition. Important property है बेटा addition की. See, so listen carefully. Suppose if we are going to change the order, or we can say that the place of the numbers, then the result will be not affected. The result will be the same. Suppose I am going to add 50 plus 30. 50 plus 30, that is 80. Result will be 80. Okay, now we are going to interchange their places in the second case. Now 30 plus 50, the result will be also the same result we get in both the cases. See here, I am going to explain one more time. मीन्स बेटा हमने क्या किया है, दोनों ही कंडीशन में हमने इनका ऑर्डर चेंज किया है. फर्स्ट हमने क्या लिया है नंबर, दैट इज 50, देन ऐड किया है 30, या रिजल्ट क्या है अपना 80. नाउ वी चेंज देयर ऑर्डर. 30 प्लस 50 मीन्स इफ वी आर गोइंग टू चेंज द ऑर्डर or place of the given number, the result will be not affected. Result कोई affect नहीं करेगा. So these are the three important properties of addition. So you have to remember this. The first property, I am going to revise one more time. If you are going to add 0 in the number, what's the result? The number itself. Okay, next property, if you are going to add 1 in the given number, then you get the next number of the given number. Next number आपको मिलेगा. Next third property, if you are going to change the order of the number, the result will not be affected. The result will be the same in both the cases. Okay, now one more thing I am going to discuss here which is not in your book. Okay, that is vertical addition, vertical and horizontal pattern. I am going to discuss vertical pattern and horizontal pattern. See here, vertical pattern means from top to bottom. Okay, like this. And in a horizontal, from left to right, like this. See means 30 plus 70, 30 plus 70. In this pattern we arrange our numbers from top to bottom. In this pattern we arrange the numbers, and we are going to add that 30 plus 70, we get our result, that is 100. But in the horizontal case we add from left to right, means 30 plus 70 is equals to, that is 100. This is a horizontal way, and and this is the vertical way. Okay, in vertically we arrange the numbers like this, and in horizontal we arrange the numbers like this. Okay beta, clear na? See here, this is a vertical horizontal, then is a vertical addition. Oh, now if we are going to analyze the answer will be the same, while in the vertically or while in the horizontally pattern the answer will be the same, answer will not be affected. Okay, see the next, the addition by splitting number. Next topic, that is addition by splitting number. Splitting means क्या होता है बेटा? What is the meaning of splitting? Splitting means to break. The word split means to break down. Okay, see how we split the numbers. Next topic, addition. Next topic, addition by splitting numbers. Okay, addition by splitting numbers is a second topic in today's class. Suppose we are going to add 58 plus 61. 58 plus 61. Then how we add? Now by splitting. First of all we are going to split, that is 58. We are going to split 58. Okay, see here. First you arrange the digits according to the place value, that is ones and tens. Now 5 is at which place? 5 is at tens place. कौन सी place पे बेटा? At tens place. And 8 is on ones place. 8 is on ones place. Now expand this. Now you have to expand it. Expanded form. 8 and 5 is at tens place. That means 5 multiply by at which place? At tens place. That means what's your result? 50. What's your result? 50. Okay. Means 50 plus 8. We can write 58 as 50 plus 8. This is the expanded form. And which form is this? This is an standard form. कौन सी form है बेटा? Standard form है. And it's an expanded form. Expanded form. Now expand the next number also, that is 61. 61. Okay, we are going to expand it. First position, that is ones place, then second is tens place. Okay, the number is 61. 61. Expand it. 1 is at ones place, the number of zeros will not be there. Then 6 is on tens place, means 6 is written as 60. Why? Because it is at tens place. Now 60 plus 1. 60 plus 1. Now you add this separately and this part separately. See here, 50 plus 60 equals to 130. 130. Then 8 plus 1 equals to 9. Your result is 139. What's the result you get? That is 139. Okay. You are not able to see this one? I write the same thing. above side means 50 plus 60. You add this separately and this thing separately. 8 plus 1. 50 plus 60 means 5 or 6, 11. That is 110. 50 plus 60 and 8 plus 9. 8 plus 1 equals to 9. 8 plus 1 equals to 9. What's the result you get? That is 119. 119. Okay, first you add these two numbers, 50 plus 60, that is 110, or 8 plus 1, that is 9. What's the result you get? 109. There is no need to add them. You can do your calculation on the tips of your finger. Okay, so we take one more example. See, one more example. We take now the 3-digit number. And in 3-digit number we having ones, tens and 100 place digit. Okay, so let's discuss the 3-digit number. 113 plus 214. 214. Now we are going to add 113 and 214. So how we add? So first of all you have to expand the number. Expand the number like this. According to their positions. Ones place, tens place, and which place is this? At 100 place. कौन सी place है बेटा? 100 place. Okay, 100 place means how you arrange? 1 is on 100 place. Now 1 is on tens place. This 3 is on ones place. Now expand this. 113 is written as 113 को हम क्या करेंगे? एक्सपेंड करेंगे. 3 कौन सी पोजीशन पे बेटा? वंस पोजीशन पे. 1 कौन सी पोजीशन पे है? यू हैव टू फाइंड द प्लेस वैल्यू. क्या फाइंड करनी? प्लेस वैल्यू. एंड वी डिस्कस प्रीवियस वीडियो हाउ टू फाइंड द प्लेस वैल्यू. 1 इज ऑन टेंस प्लेस, सो यू राइट 1 एज 10 एंड 1 इज ऑन 100 प्लेस मीन्स 100. कैसे 100 हुआ बेटा? 1 कौन सी प्लेस पे है? 100 प्लेस पे मीन्स मल्टीप्लाई किससे हुआ? 100. व्हाट्स द रिजल्ट यू गेट? दैट इज 100. ओके, नाउ 113 इज रिटन एज 100 प्लस 10 प्लस 3. Isn't it? Right है ना बेटा? 100 plus 10, 110 plus 3, 113. Same result हुआ. Now you have to write down, you have to expand the next number also in expanded form. Okay, now we are going to expand the next number also. Ones place, tens place and hundreds place. Okay, arrange your numbers, arrange the digits according to their place value. 214. 214. What is the place value of 4? That is 4. What is the place value of 1? 1 is at tens place. Now what's the result you get? That is 10. And 2 is at 100 place. That means 200. Okay, right? Their expanded values 200 plus 10 plus 4. Now you add separately. Okay, now first you add 200 plus 100, 300. Okay, next 10 plus 10, that is 20, or 4 plus 3, that is 7. First of all you add the 100 digit, that is 200 plus 100, that is 300, and 10 plus 10, that is 20, and 4 plus 3 equals to 7. Now the calculation is simple one. 300 plus 20, 320 plus 7, 327. तो इसके लिए हमने कहीं कैलकुलेशन की, एडिशन की? कहीं नहीं. विदाउट एनी एडिशन, बाय स्प्लिटिंग. स्प्लिटिंग मीन्स ब्रेक डाउन. 113 को हमने क्या किया? ब्रेक किया है. ओके, अकॉर्डिंग टू द प्लेस वैल्यू. ओके, नाउ द कैलकुलेशन इज बीइंग सिंपल. Now we are able to calculate 113 and 214 on the tips of our finger. Tips पे calculate किया बेटा, without calculating on the whiteboard. So in this way you can splitting the numbers and your addition will become simpler one. Okay, the next exercise we can take in our next lecture. I hope you enjoy the video and you are also able to understand common properties and how to splitting the numbers. Okay beta, thank you and enjoy your day. Bye bye beta, take care.